everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean my messy bedroom with me, and I also am going to bring you on a little tour of our master bath, as some of it has been renovated and the plans for that we have in the future. But the thing with that is we've actually already completed the renovations, because this video was actually filmed 2 months ago, maybe even longer, I don't know. It's been a while. It's been filmed for a while. A lot has been going on in our home, but I wanted to get on and do a proper intro for this video, so you kind of know what you're watching. But I do have an update video planned very soon. Hopefully I can actually film that today, and that's going to kind of explain everything, where I've been, what's been going on. But without further ado, I hope you enjoy this cleaning video.
rather be in here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
Okay guys, so here is the clean master bedroom. I still have a ton of laundry to do, but at least I have it away from the bed because it was all piled up over here on my husband's side, and it was really hard to get into the closet. My bookshelf, it's really cluttered. I have to go through that. And this is all clean laundry. It's not dirty. We hardly have any dirty laundry. These are just the kids' pajamas for tonight. It is almost 8:30, so they're actually about to go to bed. So yeah, all clean laundry. Did change the sheets on my son's crib. He is still sharing a room with us. And this was a pack and play I was actually using as a laundry basket after my nephew had slept in it the other day. So yeah, that is it. Everything is, yeah, as you can see, it's 8:23, so it's almost bedtime here. It was just really giving me bad vibes in here. Oh my goodness, I am sweating. But it was just really, it was just too much sleeping with all the clutter. Even though the laundry is still here, it's at least in an area where it's in an easier area. So there's really not much rhyme or reason or decor in here. Everything is kind of mix match. This is a one room. Actually, there's another room, but this is one of the rooms that was not painted when we moved in. So we've been here 3 years. We love this color when we moved in, but we didn't buy new bedding. Then eventually we bought new bedding, and now our son is in here. And we are actually, this summer, we are doing some major renovations. We will actually move our room to one of the additions. There's an addition, so we're gonna move in there. That is gonna be the master bedroom, and this room will be my son's room. So we'll actually take care of that. We have started working on the master bathroom. I will actually show you real quick. So keep in mind, this is a 1974 trailer. So there are a lot of yellows, like all the tubs and stuff are yellow. But in here, There isn't a shower, but we actually did do a shower curtain, so that helps hide the tub some. We just did this flooring. We actually got it on Amazon. This rug, this bath rug is also from Amazon. We did do a new toilet. First day we moved in, both of the toilets were replaced because, yeah, they were gross. So those are just my essential oils. Got this off of Amazon as well. Just have a little plant on here. Toilet paper and just like extra toilet paper in here. Have to take this, what is that? Toilet paper rack. Don't mind, those are actually old shirts I just threw out when I was sorting through the laundry real quick. Have to refinish the sink. And then we did new lighting. I actually did it myself. I'm pretty proud. So we have to paint around that. Took the mirror and updated the mirror. So we have to paint from where the old mirror was. And then this actually used to be this nasty color in here. It's not super bright in here, but I actually like it. I don't really do my makeup in here. So it is more, because there is the bathtub, it's only really relaxing in here. And then also got this sign off of Amazon. And then got this sign off of Amazon as well. And then I do have some leftover Subway tile. It's the peel and stick kind, but I'm going to use that because we do not have drywall. This is kind of like a Luan type. Every wall in here, it's either Luan or paneling, and they're not even, we're not ripping out walls or anything like that, so we are going to just use the peel and stick, so we don't have to worry about any tile cracking, and then we will put that on there. I already have it, but I'm just debating on what I'm going to do with the sink. I think I did find a paint that I'm actually going to get to refinish the sink, and then just do the touch-ups, and then we'll just have to put in new baseboards because it was actually carpeting in here, this blue carpet. So that was what was in here. So I'm really excited. This is one of the most completed rooms. But honestly, after the flooring, because my husband worked on it with a friend, after the flooring, and because we had to actually rip up, it wasn't just ripping up the carpet. It was literally ripping up the flooring down to the beams, studs. I don't know. I don't do that stuff. And then replacing it because it was rotted, because the previous toilet was leaking. That's why we replaced this, but we didn't know that the leak was that bad. It was actually bowed in. I do have some pictures, so I will insert how bad it was. So that was all replaced, and then we did kind of reframe it out because it wasn't structurally sound the way that it was. It didn't have enough support that you would want for your butt to be on the toilet. So it is safe. You can sit on that toilet. You can be comfortable. You are not going to fall through the floor. No mo. But that is where we are right now. I do have to tidy up the bathroom in here. And as far as tidy, just wipe down the sink, do the toilet. Nothing major in here. It stays pretty clean. It doesn't get used nearly as much as our main bathroom. So that is it, guys. I am going to end the video here. I know I only did the one room. Right now it is one of the worst rooms in the house. How we do things around here is we usually do tag team. So while I was actually doing the bedroom in here, my husband was out with the kids. and taking care of the kitchen, and they're getting their baths now. So I'm gonna go meet up with them, get them ready for bed, get them down for bed, and just enjoy some quiet time before we start tomorrow all over again. But I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day. And if you enjoyed this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Leave in the comments down below anything that you may want to see. We have a whole bunch of projects coming up. I lost the footage for the bathroom that we did, but stay tuned. There are definitely a lot of projects coming, and I cannot wait till we actually have our own bedroom and can decorate it, and it's gonna be good. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Bye bye.